Hello guys, today we'll talk about simultaneous equations. We'll look at how to solve simultaneous equations using the substitution method. You can look at the previous video I posted where I talked about the elimination method. Right, let's look at the following example. Solve 2x plus 3y equals 20, x plus y equals to 8.50. Okay, so let's solve 2x plus 3y equals 20, x plus y equals, so these are the equations. Okay, so you start by choosing the easier equations of the two. In this case, our second equation, right? It's the easier one. So write it, x plus y equals to 8.50, right? Then you choose which variable, in this case, which letter you want to make the subject of the formula, because you have to leave a letter on its own. In this case, I'll choose x. Okay, so this means y has to go this side so that x remains on its own. So it's x equals 8.50 minus what? Y. So in this case, our x corresponds to 8.50 minus y. So this is the value of x. So you take this value and you go to the other equation where there's x, you write 8.50 minus y. So you take the other equation and you write what? 8.50 minus y. Okay, so the other equation was 2x plus 3y equals 3x plus equals what? 20. So I told you where there's the x, you write what? 8.5. So here write 8.5. This is 2. 8.5 minus y. This corresponds to the value of x plus 3y equals 20. Okay, then now it's 2 times 8.5, which is 17. 2 times y minus 2y plus 3y equals 20. So now you put like terms together. So the 17 goes the other side. Here it's positive, there it will be negative. Okay, so it's 20 minus 17. So minus 2y plus 3y equals y. 20 minus 17 is 3. So now I have the value of what? Y. So it's 3. So you choose any of the two equations now to find the value of x. Okay, any of the two equations to find the value of x. So in this case, I'll choose x, the easier one, x plus y equals to 8.50. Okay, so now x plus y is 3 equals to what? 8.50. So x is, the 3 goes that the other side, it becomes negative. So x is what? 5.50. So it's that easy using what? The substitution method. So you know your y is what? 3 and your x is 5.50. These are your answers. It's easy and straightforward. So guys, if you want to make sure your answers are correct or not, this is what you do. You take the equations, then where there's x and y, you write the values which you found. In this case, we found 3 and 5.50. So you see the first equation, we substituted the values, so you see we get 20 and 20. So indeed our answer was correct. And the second equation also, x plus y equals to 8.50. So you were 5.50 plus 3 equals to 8.50. So you see your answers indeed are correct. So this is what you do in case you want to check if your answers are correct or not. So guys, we'll look at the second example. I'd say solve 2x minus 4y equals 12, half x minus 3y equals 8. Okay, so the same procedure. You choose the easy equation. This one, in this case, we'll choose we'll choose 2x minus 4y equals 12, the one that doesn't have a fraction. So the same procedure, x has to be alone. You have to make x the subject of the formula, right? So the 4y should go this side. So it's 2x equals 12. Now it becomes positive. Okay, so x is still not on its own because it's 2x. So you divide the two both sides. Okay, So the 2 and 2 cancel, so you remain with x equals 12 plus 4y over 2. Okay, so you take this value and you substitute here into the other equation, the half x minus 3y equals 8, the one you didn't use. So the value of x is, you write 12 plus 4y over 2 where there's the x. Okay, so the equation is half x minus 3y equals 8. So as I said, it's half, we write 12 plus 4y over 2, that's the value of x, minus 3y equals 8. Okay, so guys, this is what you do. You don't solve it, you have to factorize this. You don't solve it like that. So it's 12. I hope you guys are familiar with factorization, but don't worry, I'll post a video soon talking about factorization. Okay, so you take common factor, which is 4, you can go into 12 and 4y. So 4 into 12 is 3, then 4y, 4 into 4y, the 4 and 4 cancel, you remain with what? Y. You remain with y. Okay, so it's over 2. Then this 2 can go into itself, giving us what? And it can go into 4, giving us what? 2. So you remain with 2, 3 plus y. You see, you have factorized now, you can solve it. So you use this value, the 2 open brackets 3 plus y. Okay, so after factorizing, then you continue solving. So half, now we'll use this value, 2 open brackets 3 plus y minus 3y equals 8. Okay, I hope you guys followed. So now this half, when you multiply with the number outside, in this case 2, so you do half times 2. You don't include any of these numbers that are inside. Okay, so it's half, so 2 and 2 cancel, you remain with 1. Okay, so now it's 1, you open bracket 3 plus y, because the half and the 2 multiplied. Okay, minus 3y equals 8. Okay, so 1 times 3, so it's still the same thing because 1 multiplies everything inside. Okay, then the 3 has to go the other side like terms together, so you remain with minus 2y, giving us what? 8 minus 3. Okay, so I'll delete here on top just to finish this up. Okay, so here it becomes, so I'll continue here on top, it becomes minus 2y, 8 minus 3 is what? 5. Okay, so you want to find y, so you divide both sides by minus 2, minus 2. So minus 2 cancel, you remain with y equals minus 2 into 5 is minus 2.5. So this is the value of y. Your y is minus 2.5. So now you choose any of the two equations. In this case, I'll take the easier one, the 2x minus 4y equals 12. So now we know the value of y, which is minus 2.5. So it's 2x minus 2.5, giving us what? 12. So it's 2x minus, oh sorry, here it's 4 times minus 2.5. Okay, so it's 2x minus 4 times minus 2.5 gives us minus 10 equals 12. Okay, so guys, negative and negative give us a positive, so it's 2x plus 10 equals 12. So 2x equals 12, 10 becomes negative. Okay, so it's 2x equals 2. Okay, so 2 2 2 2, you have 1, so your x is 1. So guys, if you want to check if your answers are correct, remember you just substitute the values you found of x and y into the equations. In this case, you can check the 1 and the minus 2.5, so you can check indeed our answers are correct. You find 12 and 12, 8 and 8. Okay guys, thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe, share the video and comment. If you have any questions, you can also leave on the comments below and I'll be able to answer everyone. Thank you.